At this point, you have probably heard about NFTs. If not, you must have been living under a rock. In the past year alone, they have become a cultural phenomenon, booming a new marketplace at over $13 billion and hundreds of new NFT projects being released every month. So why should you buy our NFT? Well, besides Uncle Leroy being the most likable character and a sick piece of artwork, there is only 10,000 available, making it an exclusive must-have investment. Uncle Leroy is much more of a tangible commodity than just a piece of artwork on a blockchain. When you purchase an Uncle Leroy NFT, you own a piece of stock in the Uncle Leroy project, which is exclusively created by the same group of United States entrepreneurs that have developed and built some of the most well-known brands you have come to know and love. Our team of artists, influencers, athletes, celebrities, and brands will continue to keep the ball rolling well after minting. This will include continued endorsements, shoutouts, swag, appearance, and leadership to grow and add the unparalleled value to this project by increasing the royalties for its shareholders. Along with the roadmap of financial success for this project, the utilities our holders have been like no other. Quoting the philosophy of Uncle Leroy, friends that slay together, stay together. Our holders will get access to the most elite membership to the Fun House. The Fun House, Uncle Leroy's private estate located in Las Vegas, Nevada, is where the fun never ends. This elite members-only club is exclusively for Uncle Leroy holders, with special appearances from VIP guests including celebrities, adult entertainers, professional athletes, and musicians. We also have created a DAO, Decentralized Autonomous Organization, which allows Uncle Leroy shareholders to have voting power on how to spend the allocated funds we set forth in the DAO on future attractions, giveaways, charitable contributions, and further development of the Uncle Leroy brand. We want to bring creative people together from around the world to network, share ideas, and get rich together. So if you want to sit at the cool kids table and be amongst the selective few, get on the waitlist today and join the most elite club on the market.